In this video, we're going to talk about the slicing tools. I have a little scene here that includes a table and a pizza. Let's zoom in close. Just kind of rotate around here. We can see our pizza. I'm also going to turn off our table layer so we can kind of zero in on our pizza. And once we look at our pizza, there aren't any slices. I want to share this with all my friends. I want to kind of give some to everyone. So we need to divide up our mesh, or in this case, our little pizza, and slice it. Now, there's a couple ways we can do this. Let's talk about the slice tool first. Now, I'm over here in my toolbar, and I've clicked on the Mesh Edit section of my toolbar, and we're going to select the first one, the Slice tool at the very top, keyboard shortcut Shift-C. Now, when we click in the viewport, you're going to see the world's largest cutting knife come to action. Now, I'm just clicking and dragging and interactively placing a start point and an end point for our gigantic pizza knife. Okay, if we analyze the tool and see exactly what's going on, we can see that we have a couple little blue crosses. Each one of these blue crosses represent the start point. That's this guy over here. The start point is over here, and we have an end point over here. Now, these are true three-dimensional coordinates, so we can raise and lower this. In our case, there's nothing to raise and lower, and we can move it left and right as well. This is an interactive tool, so we can interactively slice up our mesh using the slice tool. Now, we can, as I mentioned, we can change the start and the end using the little blue crosses. If we click on the purple bar, we can just kind of drag that bar around in the viewport and place the slice like that. Once we drop the toolbar, we can examine exactly what's happened. Now, let's look very carefully at our mesh. This edge right here, this is the one that we placed using the slice tool. But not only did it slice the crust, but it also sliced each individual pepperoni that intersected our line. And it went all the way through to the bottom, down over here. So it's important to remember that the slice tool is going to just kind of cut through your entire mesh and every single mesh object that's in this mesh item. It didn't touch my table. If we turn off my pizza and look at my table still is intact. We didn't cut up our table. It's still in one piece, and that's because it's on a different item. So the slice tool is going to slice up whatever is activated on that mesh item and whatever is visible at that current time. So that's the slice tool inside of Modo.